Hello, my name is Solomon. Welcome to traderflexzy. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel to know when I upload videos like this. In this video, I'll explain how to use the MetaTrader 4 mobile platform. At the end of this video, you'll be a MetaTrader guru. What is trading platform? Trading platforms are software designed to chart, trade, and manage positions online. There are two types of trading platforms, which are commercial platforms designed for retail traders, example, MetaTrader 4, TradingView, and TradeStation. 2. Proprietary trading platforms designed for institutional trading, example, Bloomberg Terminal. But institutional traders mainly design their trading platforms to suit their trading. What is MetaTrader 4? MetaTrader 4 is a trading platform owned by MetaQuotes, mainly used for foreign exchange trading. Let's start. This is your closed net position balance. Example, realized profit and loss. This is your open position, unrealized profit and loss in your account. This is the amount of funds available for floating trade before margin call. This is the amount of funds in your account in percentage available for floating trade before margin call. This is the fixed amount of money locked by your broker to support open positions in case of drawdown. The plus sign is for adding and removing instruments. The pencil sign is used for rearranging your added interface instruments. This is your broker server time. If you open position or close position, it will be recorded with this time as open and close time. This is the names of your trading instruments. This is your spread or commission you pay when you open positions. This is the lowest price has traded on that day or the daily time frame. This is the highest price has traded on that day or on the daily time frame. This is bid and ask price. They change color to blue and red when price rises or falls. Click your instrument to get more info. Let me click. This is to open position. This is to open your chart. This is to change your view mode. Let's open this and see. This is your spread or commission type when you open positions. This is your instrument digit numbers. This is the minimum amount of pip you can set your stop loss. This is your amount of contract size. This is how it's going to calculate your positions. This is the necessary funds in your account to open one instrument different side positions. This is if you can open pending orders. This is how you pay your overnight position fees. This is the amount you pay if you are long on a position overnight. This is the amount you pay if you are short on a position overnight. This is used to manage your accounts and settings. Let's click it. This is used for going back to your main screen. Click here to go to your charts. Click here to see your open positions. Click here to check your trade history. This is used to display your account activities to the MetaQuotes website for copy trading. This is your inbox for MetaQuotes emails. Click here to view some news from your broker. This is used to view fundamental economical news release dates. This is used to chat at the MetaQuotes community. This is used to check performance or statistics of traders for copy trading on the MetaQuotes community. This is used to buy trading software from MetaQuotes. This is used to manage and subscribe to signal providers on MetaQuotes website. This is used to set or manage functions on the MT4. This is used to monitor your account login activities. This is info about MetaTrader. This is lowest price has reached on this time frame or pair. This is highest price has gone on this time frame or pair. This is the current time frame candle open price. This is the current price if we open position. This is ask price. This is bid price. The square boxes are called grid. They are used to calculate risk to reward on trades. These are price levels. Price have reached or might go next. This is your chart date and time. These are your time frames. This is to open your manual tools window. This is for crosshair. What is crosshair? Crosshair is a manual tool applied on your chart to determine date and time on selected section of chart. This is shortcut to open others. Let's open. This is your stop loss and take profit columns. This is where you input your lot size. This is where you put your execution order type. What is deviation? Deviation is the amount of price difference you would allow your order placed if price changes from the original price you wanted to buy at. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.